the national flag and float the flag to show our unity.
Here we are today to witness the opening ceremony and the inaugural match.
अरे पीछे हुआ है बेदाऊ क्या समा हुआ है बेदाऊ सांसों को